Cash Giraffe currently says casual players can make about $5 to $20 per month, while active players using the app for 5 or more hours a week can make $30 to $100 or more per month. Cash Giraffe Kunone. So if you're wondering whether Cash Giraffe can make you serious money, the short answer is no. It is better viewed as a way to turn spare gaming time into small rewards. I'll break down where those numbers come from, what actually affects your earnings, and what you should realistically expect. Cash Giraffe pays you in gems for playing featured mobile games, reaching milestones, and completing surveys. You can exchange those gems for PayPal Cash or gift cards, and the current minimum PayPal Cash out listed by Cash Giraffe is $0.20. Cash Giraffe K1. Your earnings depend heavily on how much you play, and which games or offers you choose. Cash Giraffe says casual players spending 2 to 3 hours per week typically make $5 to $20 per month. Players spending 5 or more hours per week are listed at $30 to $100 or more per month. Cash Giraffe Una. That difference matters because there isn't one fixed amount you earn for every game. Cash Giraffe's terms say the number of coins available for apps and promotions can change, and the exchange rate can also be adjusted. Cash Giraffe Wa. There are also other ways to increase your balance. The app currently offers surveys that typically take 2 to 10 minutes, plus daily challenges, streaks, seasonal events, achievement rewards, and referral bonuses. Cash Giraffe Conento. For a simple reality check, the official figures put a casual user at roughly $5 to $20 a month. An active user can potentially reach $30 to $100 or more, but that requires significantly more regular play. Those figures are rewards app earnings, not a replacement for a job or reliable monthly income. If you're testing Cash Giraffe, start with games that interest you, check the gem rate and available milestones, and cash out once you reach the minimum, rather than assuming your earnings will keep increasing at the same rate. The key numbers are $5 to $20 monthly for casual players, $30 to $100 or more for active players, and a $0.20 minimum PayPal cash out. If you want to test it, track your earnings against your actual playtime for the first few sessions. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe guides.